Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add someone on Telegram using their username. Let's get started. First, open Telegram app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home screen, tap on search icon at the top. Inside the search bar, type the person's username. As you type, Telegram will start showing results. Look carefully and tap on the correct profile. When the profile opens, tap on message at the bottom of the screen. This will open a chat with that person. And that's it. You have successfully added and contacted someone by username on Telegram. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.